What if your CRM could think, research, and sell for you before you even ask? Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'm breaking down how I built an AI Sales CRM Copilot that always thinks CRM first, enriches data from the web only when needed, and turns every chat into real sales intelligence, automatically. Step 1. Receive chat message, trigger chat trigger. This node starts the workflow when a user sends a chat message. It captures the user query and session ID for downstream processing. Initialize conversation memory, window memory buffer. This node maintains short-term conversation context. It allows the AI to understand follow-up questions within the same session. Next, route user query via AI Sales CRM Decision Engine AI agent. This node is the brain of the workflow. It interprets the user query and enforces strict rules to always search CRM data first. Step 4. OpenAI Chat Reasoning Engine GPT-4o Mini. This node provides reasoning capabilities to the decision engine. It helps the AI understand intent and summarize CRM data accurately. Step 5. Look up outreach records in CRM Sheet Google Sheets tool. This node searches the outreach automation sheet. It retrieves contact details, outreach status, and engagement history. Step 6. Look up opportunity records in GHL Sheet Google Sheets tool. This node searches the GHL opportunity sheet. It fetches pipeline stage, deal status, and opportunity context. Step 7. Execute public web company lookup via SERP API tool. This node runs only if CRM data is missing or insufficient. It fetches public company information as read-only enrichment. Step 8. Persist chat interaction to CRM memory sheet Google Sheets. This node logs the full interaction. It stores timestamp, session ID, user message, and assistant response. Step 9. Generate final CRM-aware chat response node. This node sends the final response back to the user. The reply is generated using CRM data or SERP fallback when required. Step 10. Log chat interaction to Notion knowledge base Notion node. This node saves conversations into Notion. It helps build a long-term searchable knowledge base. Step 11. Send CRM Insight Summary to internal Slack channel Slack node. This node posts a concise internal update. It shows the user query, data source used, and key response highlights. Step 12. Error Handler Trigger Error Trigger. This node activates when any part of the workflow fails. It captures node name, error message, and timestamp. Step 13. Slack Send Error Alert Slack node. This node sends an error alert to Slack. It enables quick debugging and team visibility. If you want smarter sales conversations, cleaner pipelines, and AI that actually understands your CRM, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.